Hi, I'm Rah'tah and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to look at a few of Karl Lagerfeld's bags, you guys. I stopped into the Saks off Fifth Outlet, you guys, and you all, they had the most beautiful collection of Karl Lagerfeld bags, you guys. Like, I have been obsessed with Karl Lagerfeld probably ever since I was about 10 or 11 when we first got cable and I started watching the fashion channel, you guys. And today I own 2 of his bags. But let me know in the comments below, like, what do you think about Karl Lagerfeld? He was the creative director for Chanel for quite some time. So, you know, it is definitely no coincidence that his bags do bear a strong resemblance to the iconic Chanel brand, you guys. And I refer to his bags as just like affordable Chanel, you guys. But his bags are just simply phenomenal, you guys. The weight of the chain on these bags, you guys, it just feels so luxurious. The fabric, you guys, like the leather, the quilted styles, you guys. I love that some of his bags are pebbled leather, you guys. I feel like most of all, I love the weight of the chain on his bags because they just definitely don't feel cheap. I also love that he has like different types of bags, you guys. Like, I love the crossbody. I also love like the tote bags as well. But right now, I had my eye definitely on one of the shoulder bags, you guys. And it was this particular bag here that I had my eye on, you guys. And I wanted it in this color black right here. But what I liked about his bags is that if you go to the Saks off Fifth Outlet, these bags were under $200. This particular one here was $159, I believe. If you go online, I believe that Saks had an extra, I think 10 or 20% promo code. So definitely check out Saks off Fifth for that discount code if you're interested in any of the items that you see here. It may still be going on, you guys, but definitely let me know in the comments which bag was your favorite. As always, I do appreciate your support on this channel. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Rah'tah. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I hope you have a blessed day. And don't forget to let me know which one's your favorite.